Hey guys, welcome to your digital review YouTube channel. Today I will share a quick review on Kinsta hosting. If you want to host your WordPress site, this is the hosting plan you can go with. Buying Kinsta hosting. Kinsta has released a new entry-level plan of $30 per month and also moved their pricing based on the number of the visits. This is an excellent opportunity for the entry-level blog to enjoy the power of managed WordPress hosting at this cost. I moved to a VPS hosting, but managing and optimizing it for the WordPress became a challenge. I completely believe we should focus on stuff we are best at, like writing, marketing, SEO and so on. I believe buying a new web hosting plan and moving your site to a new host is the simple part. I will share my personal experience and review of Kinsta hosting during the conclusion of this guide. Kinsta managed WordPress hosting. Even though Kinsta is a highly reputed managed WordPress host, they are not for every kind of WordPress site. For an entry-level blog, a shared hosting plan is better as its usual cost less than $10 per month. Kinsta pricing starts at $30 per month, which is not cheap. However, for any WordPress or WooCommerce site which is built to perform well and needs 100% uptime, this pricing is not a problem. What's under the hood of Kinsta is what really matters. Let me quickly give you a glimpse of everything they offer. Hosting on Google Cloud. With Kinsta hosting, your site is hosted on the Google Cloud platform, which is one of the most top-notch. You also have the option to choose your data center. A high level of the transportability between host machine and full container snapshot to enable instant. Free site migration. If you are moving your existing WordPress site from any host to Kinsta, you don't have to worry about migration your site. Just sign up for an account, use the migration form from your Kinsta dashboard and their migration team will help. There will be zero downtime with this migration and they will even test your site before making it live. This way you are sure that everything works as intended after moving to your WordPress site to Kinsta. Support from WordPress experts. When you are paying so much, you can't accept any substandard support. In the past few years, I have never had to worry about any WordPress issues. If I ever have an issue, I need to send them a quick ping and within a few minutes, the problem is usually resolved. Kinsta takes daily automated backup of your WordPress blog. You can also make an on-demand backup. Kinsta offers entry-level hosting for $30, which allows 20,000 views in a month. They offer various plans and you should pick one based on how many WordPress or blogs or site you want to host, how many views your blog is getting every month, how many PHP workers you need. They offer starter, business plan, enterprise plan and custom solutions. Conclusion: is Kinsta hosting worth the money and the hype? What I admire the most about Kinsta hosting is their customer support and continued high quality performance of server. In the last 5 years, I never had to worry about site downtime or other hosting related technical issues. When you realize that time is money, these things add up to success. So what I recommended is to buy Kinsta hosting for your WordPress website. Below is the link. Check the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.